guys, it's me Ronan and welcome to my channel! Okay, right now we are going to do a review with a Jew. Just kidding! No, it's not. What we're going to do right now is a contact lenses review. Last time you've seen my product review about my Solotica Hidrocor Mel, which was amazing, which was gorgeous, and I love them. I wore them many times. If I could wear them every day, I would, but of course I didn't. So this time I actually purchased last week another set of colored lenses, and the color that I purchased is the colored Quartzo. Yes, this is actually one of the famous Hidrocor, one of the famous color on the Hidrocor series, and I'm very excited to have them. This is not actually an unboxing video because I've already opened them. I've already put the lenses in the lens case because I will soak them so I can wear them. Today, I'm very excited to put them in my eyes and to see how it looks. I'm not really sure. I'm quite nervous because I'm not really sure how it looks like. Before I actually decided to purchase the Quartzo, I've searched the internet, I've watched a lot of videos on YouTube regarding about it, and I know it's very, very gorgeous. It's very, very bright. But I've seen just a few Asian people wearing them. So I'm not really sure how it looks like on me, because that's why I'm very, very nervous. I was very hesitant at first, but I really like the Quartzo, so I really wanted to have them. So I decided to buy them online and just, you know, well, at first I was actually torn between having Quartzo or crystal and ochre, but I really like Quartzo, so I decided to buy them first instead of the others. So we'll see how it looks like on my Filipino eyes, right? As you can see, my eyes is very dark, but you know, the Mel color is really gorgeous and it really fits perfectly with my skin tone and with my Asian face. We'll see how the Quartzo looks like on me. Okay, so let's start. They're already in this case. We are gonna put them in. I'm so excited. Ta-da! Okay, so I've already put in the first lens on my left eye. As you can see, this is Quartzo, guys. Gosh, I look like a wolf, right? It's very bright. I'm not really sure if it fits me, but it's very pretty though. It's like, I'm not really sure. See? Oh my goodness, I look like a zombie. As you can see, the lens perfectly covered my dark brown eyes, right? Oh my god, so scary. Woo! What do you think? Damn. Is it good? Okay, let me put in the other one so we'll see, okay? I'll be right back. Okay guys, so here it is. I've already put in the other one. Are you ready? I'm not. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Voila. This is Solotica Hidrocor Quartzo. Oh my god. I look like a vampire. Hello, let's start. What do you think? This is crazy. It's so bright. Well, I don't wear any makeup, so this is just it. I've seen some Asian people wearing this and they can pull it off. I'm not sure if I can pull it off on public. What do you think? I'm not sure if I... It's very pretty though, right? It perfectly covered my dark eyes. And oh my god, I look scary. I look like a Siberian husky. Oh my god. Ooh. I'm not sure. The male is actually gorgeous though, but Quartzo on me, Quartzo is very beautiful. It's very gorgeous, but with my Filipino face, I'm not sure. It's very bright. Probably this one looks good on Westerners, on African American, or I'm not sure, South American. But for Asian, I'm not sure. Probably I need a tan skin to pull this off. Ooh, scary. Do you think I can conquer the world with this color? It's so scary. Well, tell me what you think. Comment down below and let me know how it looks like. If it looks good or if it's not, I'm not really sure. I'm still deciding. This is crazy. Anyway guys, I'm still having mixed emotions with regards to this color. I'm not really sure if it looks good on me, but we'll see. Well, anyway, this is Hidrocor Quartzo, and if you wanted to purchase this one, I actually purchased this at Vision Marketplace, and I have a discount code below. If you want to purchase this at Vision Marketplace, you can use my discount code. You can have a 10% discount to get this. I look like a dead animal or a zombie. This is like a zombie-ish or a vampire-ish. Look. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel and gives me a thumbs up. Comment down below if you like this on me or if you love Quartzo or whatever. And see you in my next video. Bye!